bars. Hey, we've got lots of bubbles in there. What's that? What, cocoa mango? Is it smoked banana? Lovely, lovely. I still thinking you like bars. Ooh. You know, I look dark, don't you, against them tiles? You really look dark, don't you? Went out last night. You go out last night? I went out last night. Had a curry, a few pints with the lads. Oh, I'm suffering on my guts today, Ronnie. I'm really suffering, I am. Tell you. Lovely Madras side. Lovely curry. Pack of curry down the road. I'm really nice. You lot don't really... You do that goat curry, don't you? You don't... That's probably why you look so weird all the time, doing all those goats. Ain't natural, is it, really? Eating goats. Bastards. You going out tonight?
Yeah, going to a fancy dress party with a girl.
Fancy dress? Yeah? Yeah, I'm just full. Look. You could go to party Guinness. Oh, I'm so funny, I really am. I'll kill myself sometimes, you know that. See, the difference is, one, between you and me, difference is really, it's like with you, you know, because you see a few girls, don't you? You see a few of them. Oh, sorry, pardon me. Oh, well, that was a pop on that. See, with you, Ron, it's like, with you, it's like it's more quantity with you, isn't it? With me, it's like quality. You know, I mean, you'll shag anything, won't you? Really? You've been with some rough ones, haven't you? You've been with some really rough ones, haven't you? Really? I mean, you're not fussy, are you, Ron? Really? You're just basically you're not fussy. See, with me, I am a bit. I've got. Oh. What I'm trying. Oh. What am I? That was hard work. What I'm trying to say, Ron, is I'm just a bit more sophisticated. You know, I've got a bit of class to me. You know, that's the main difference between us, mate. You know, I mean, apart from the fact that you're an ignorant, I mean, no offence. I mean, obviously that's the difference. But I'm just a bit more. I'm a bit more fussy, Ron. You know. I just. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, it's class for me, Ron. Anyway, enough of that. Suppose I better get ready. I'm getting out tonight. Going out a few pints with the lads.
So, you going to be any longer?
Hey?
You be any longer, mate?
I don't know if I've finished it, but it's like I'm sure there's something coming that's mostly wind, you know. Well, you want to get ready? Want me to go?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, mate. Don't worry. You're a bloke, I'm a bloke, you know. We're both the same. You've got the same bits as I. Help yourself, mate. I can't move, mate. I'll get a pebble dash in a minute. Whew. Bloody hell.